Grace Eltinge. I'm 14 years old and this is my 6th year in Sheep 4-H. Today I will be showing you how to make biodegradable newspaper pots. I got my information from YouTube. These are the paper pots that we'll be making today. The materials you will need is a half sheet of newspaper, and if it doesn't come like in this size, you can use your scissors, which are optional, and cut half of the full-size sheet. The first step is you fold your half sheet of paper in half like this. Then you are going to want to fold it in half again and make a crease mark. It doesn't have to be lined up perfectly. Then you fold it back out, and I can mark the middle line so you guys can see it better. That's approximately where the middle line is. Then there's one side that's open and one side that's folded. So you're going to want to take the folded side and line it up with the middle. And you're going to want to do this with both of the folded corners. It will look like this. Then with the open side that's not folded, there's two sheets, two sides. You're going to want to take the top one and fold it so the edges are together like this to the folds we just made. Then you are going to want to fold this again, this flap right here, like this. After this step, you're going to want to flip it over, and then I can mark the middle again just so you guys can see it better. You're going to want to take both sides again and fold it over to match with the red line. It should look like this. Now after this, you take this whole thing and this edge lines up with this edge, like this. And then again, you're going to fold it like this. And here's the tricky part. It took me a few times when I first tried to do this. But you're going to want to take this edge and fold it in here. And at the end, it will look like this. Once you are done making your newspaper look like this, you are going to want to open it up, and you're going to want to make this cone shape flattened out. So you take this corner and either put it, line it up with this corner or this corner. I'm going to do this corner. So then you kind of fold it like this. And after that, you're going to want to crease all of the edges just so it's more sturdy. And these edges as well, until you get a pot looking like this. Once you're finished folding your pot, you're going to want to fill it with the soil of your choice. I chose this variety. Then you're going to want to fill your pot about 1/2 inch from the top. Then you choose the seeds of your choice, and I chose a variety of bean plants. Then you just plant the seed in the middle of the pot, and you're going to want to water it. Then you are going to wait until it sprouts and begins to outgrow the pot, and you can put this directly into the planter bed that you're going to use. And everything about this is biodegradable. That's why you should not use any glue or tape or anything other than the newspaper. That concludes my demonstration.